Hello and welcome back again, module number 4, and today the second part of my presentation is about Plotly. Plotly again is an online system that allowed us to do visualization. It is quite nice. And it is one of the things that is really important about Plotly is that it supports open source application, which means that one of the things that you can do with it is write a code in R or write a code in Python and able to run it on Plotly platform on the web in order for you to do that. Okay, so far so good. However, lately they have changed the module of business, which means that in the end you will need to pay. However, there is a trick here. You're going to create a username and password, and you're going to use it for this assignment only. And if you like it, you can continue, purchase the package that they offer, and if you don't, leave it as it is. This is the idea. I've been a member of Plotly since the beginning, and again, according to the founders, they will not charge you. The only thing that they will do is, if you want to sign in, they will give you more benefits, which means that benefit with regard to the application itself and with regard to how many times you can use the application. Again, everyone wants to make a living out of it, and so they need to be more conservative in how they approach it. So, what is the beauty of Plotly? One of the things that it give you a workplace, and they also give you a place that they can work and be able to do that. I have my own files that I usually open, but one of the things that I really like to do, and in this assignment we talked about now the browser is keeping up with me. Okay, time series. I can search for applications that I want to look at. Example, if I will say time series, and again he will search for it and he will give me ability to look at other people work with time series, and I can load more and see what it is. Based on what we cover in class, you can take one of those visualization and go over it and see if they apply to a textbook and see what it is, what does it mean. So this is one of the things that they provide. The beauty of that is that of Plotly is the ability to view your file on the web, ability to go back and edit it, which means that this is where the visualization come into place. So they give you a set of visualization that they can apply to a business, science, 3D charts, financial, statistics, and maps. When your data do not match maps, it will not work. So basically, it is the upscale of Google Fusion in order for them to create that. I will use statistics into my data, and again, they will ask you to select the variables, as we talked about that. What is the variables that you are using? What is the X value? What is the Y value? And by doing that, you can select year, and this is the end result. So the beauty of it is that you can apply different styles and apply it from trace, layout, notes, title, and I can say hello world, and I can make it bigger and enter. And I can make it bigger or smaller or anything else. And at the same time, the browser is my platform, and I can do range, lines, labels, range, and much more. And I can also do something that is really interesting, which is this Zoom Interactive. This is where you want the user, when he see your visualization, to look inside the visualization to learn more. So this is something that is all about the interaction with the user. And again, you need to start thinking about that in the sense of the visualization. Will the visualization that you are creating support this interaction, the ability to zoom in or zoom out? This is a good question that you need to start thinking about when you are thinking about your final project. And so again, you have trace, you have layout, you can do your own customized layout, or you can do a margin. And again, it's up to you to decide it and up to you to apply that. Just a note, Excel does not allow us to do that. This is something that we as a visual community are really keen to, especially when we are talking about the visual and how it represents. And again, if I'm looking at my words, I need to go back and change the colors in order for it to fit, and change the index to give the user more understanding what is this type of visualization represent. So this is it for the Plotly. I know it's short, I know I did not cover. If there is a problem with the pricing, please let me know, and maybe I will be able to contact the company and see if we can get a special price on it. But right now, this is what I got. Ask questions. Your job is to ask questions. My job is to answer them. And I really hope that you'll be able to apply that and learn about Plotly, because it's becoming a very popular platform into visual analytics nowadays. So this is my 2 cents or 2 minutes introduction to Plotly. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you will find it interesting. We will learn much more advanced tools, but this is a good start for us to do, and I hope you enjoy it. Until next time, have fun.